Good morning, students, and this is your GK class. We are going to study about animal products today. Before this, we have already studied about the plant products, and this is chapter 8. We will study about animal products, because from the early civilization people have used animal, and animal are very useful for us. Right now it makes our work easier. It gives us many products. See, honeybees give us honey and wax. Honeybees take out the nectar from the flower and makes honey. And honey is very useful for us. And from beehive we make wax. See the picture of honeybee. And some bees products also I will show you. These are natural bees products. Okay? And honey is used in many things. In many type of medicines, we eat raw honey also, in beauty products, and these are some of the honey uses of honey. Next is elephant's teeth, and it is used to make ornaments as well as decorative items. I will show you some decorative items. These are the decorative items which are made from the tusk of elephant. This is the tusk of elephant, and it is used to make this decorative items. And here are some jewelries. This small jewelries are given here. These are some jewelries which are made from the elephant's teeth. This is the bracelet which is made from the hair of elephant. Next is skin of dead animals are used to make leather products. We use purse, belt, jacket, footwears made out of pure leather. We talk about pure leather, but how it is used, my dear. When animals die, that its skin is taken out, it is cleaned, it is given a proper shape, and then many products are made. See here key ring, purse, and these are the proper shape which is given to make the material, okay, of skin product. We get silk from silkworm. Silkworm, I am showing you the picture of silkworm. See, my dear, this is the picture of silkworm, and this silkworm makes this type of thread like yarn, okay, this very fine threads on its cocoon, and from that cocoon this thread is taken out, and this is the natural thread, silk thread, okay, this is the natural silk thread. After this process it is dyed means colored, and we get different types of colorful thread. This is the silk thread after color, okay, these are after coloring. We get this type of thread, and after that the cloth is woven, okay, and these are some types of silk fabric, and there are different types of silk fabric you can see in the market. Baluchari silk, Chanderi silk, Bhagalpuri silk. So there are many types of silk clothes also. Now comes the turn of animals which gives us milk. We get milk from cow, buffalo, goat, etc. These are the animals which gives us milk, and it is also called milch animals. See the picture of milch animals. Animals that give us milk are also called milch animals. And these are some of the milk products, my dear. We drink milk, we make curd, butter, ghee, cheese, ice cream, lassi, and many more products from milk. These are some of the milk products. Now we eat the meat of goats and chickens, which is a good source of food, and it is full of nutrition also. Okay, some meat I will show you. Usually birds are used for that, goat, somewhere sheep also people use. Now next is hair of sheep, goat and camel are used to make woolen clothes. Okay, I am showing you the picture of some different types of sheep. These are some different types of sheep, and the hair is taken out. You can see they are having very furry hair, see, and this hair is taken out to make woolen yarn, and from that these are some animals. That was the types of sheep, and these are animals: yak, sheep, goat, alpaca. These are the animals from which hair wool is made, and these are some of the woolen garments which we usually use in this season, means in winter season. Hen and duck give us egg. All the birds give egg, but usually we eat the eggs of hen and duck, and these are the pictures of these hen and duck. Animal dung helps plant and crop grow better. Till now we were using the product given by animal, and these are the dungs, the wastage given by animal, which is used as manure also. My dear, animal manure such as chicken manure, cow dung has been used for centuries as a fertilizer. It can improve the soil structure so that the soil holds more nutrients and water and therefore becomes more fertile. Manure is also commercially composted and bagged and sold as a soil amendment. These are the organic manure, and it is very expensive also, as it improves the quality of the soil. Now cells of oyster are used in making ornaments. I will show you some of the oyster in which cells of oyster which makes the pearl, and see the some pearl ornaments. These pearl are used in ring, earring, to make necklace also. Now we will do some fill in the blanks. Dash gives us honey and wax. And what gives us honey and wax? Honey bee. Honey bee gives us honey and wax. Next is we get egg from dash and dash, and it will be usually we eat the egg of hen and duck, isn't it? Now dash of dead animals are used to make purse, belt, jacket, etc. And here will be skin. We have already studied about it, my dear. Cows, goats and buffaloes give us milk. We get dash from cells of oyster, and it is pearl. Animal dung is used as manure. Dash gives us silk yarn, and this will be silkworm. Silk, W-O-R-M, worm. Silkworm. Next, from the hair of sheep, goat, camel and rabbit, what it is made? Wool. Wool is made from the hair of sheep, goat, camel and rabbit. Now this page you have to do chapter 8 animal products. What do we get from the skin of dead animals to make purse, belt, jacket, etc.? And our answer will be leather. What do we get from the hairs of sheep, goat, camel, etc.? This will be to make clothes, wool. What do we get from silkworm to make clothes? Is silk. What do we get from hens and ducks, which are widely used as nutritious food? Is egg. What do we get from cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. to make curd, butter, ghee and cheese? And it is milk. Dung which help plants and crops grow better is manure. What we get from goats and chickens, which is a good source of food? Meat. What do we get from shells of oyster, which are used in making ornaments? Pearl. Thank you, my dear. Thanks a lot for paying attention.